He's a better one.
Oh, that's a really good one.
A bit more weight in him. Weight in him.
That's a good one.
Nice.
Nice, Gary.
Durry holder. Coming up.
Incoming.
One tiny rogue fish on a front.
Oh, what the heck? I don't believe it. I can't even get my finger in his mouth. He's that big. Well, it's a few and far between, eh?
Except for yes, the other.
It's right, we're getting there. Man, that thing actually fucking went.
You spoke at it. What does the sound of that treat?
That was a given. Bigger than the last one.
Yep.
Oh, might just scoop him up.
Scooping. Still there. Oh, there's water inside the lens. Look, a couple of dogs.
That was weird, it was super still. Oh, it's a jungle perch. Didn't fly very hard, what the hell? Did I squeeze a hook on that?
Okay. He just absolutely fucking flicked that that fuck up the other side of it.
It's fishy. That's what he was doing yesterday. Weird, eh? It's a tiger.
What is that? Is it in there?
Yeah, he was doing it yesterday. Oh yeah, Mabs, mate. Oh, dead eel. Wait, grab it. Net it. Where we net it? Oh, I shouldn't
No, he's
net
not
it.
dead.
Oh, madness.
That's a fucking blackfin. Come on, son. It's just dark.
Snag coming up.
We could go straight to there if you're alright.
Probably not. Nah, fuck that.
Really?
Probably a trade, just quietly. Oh! smallest net in the world. Damn it, missed your lure by that much. Feels very weird. Brim.
Is that yellow?
Brim.
That's bad. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
I reckon that.
Pump it up. Please. Catch that. Used to get myself in some sticky situations just here on Surface A. Because these trees are like everywhere under the water.
It's going to be a miracle if I actually, if I somehow do get a hit. Oh, they're donkeys.
Where? Where?
Mad.
Cows.
Yep.
Could it be a bass? Or is it a big spanker?
That might be a big thing.
Oh, it's keeping its head down.
But it was
I have faith.
Little bass. I don't know how that pebble held on.
She thought it was a big spanker.
I thought it was too.
But he half kept his head down, so. On the $5 cicatta that doesn't swim.
Yep.